Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll be explaining you the different equality operators that we have in JavaScript. So let's start with this double equals. So we generally call this as loose equality operator, whereas this triple equals, we call this as strict equality operator. And what it does, if we talk about the loose equality operator, it only checks if the values are equal or not, and it also allows type conversion. So what do we mean by this type conversion? So let's understand this with few examples. So let us first take the example of number versus string. So if we compare the number 5 or maybe the number 0 with string 0, then so here we are comparing the number 0 with the string 0, and that too with the help of loose equality operator. So the output of this will be simply true. So see, so why this behavior? So as I told you, it allows type conversion. So when we compared this would have been simply, so the 0 that we have here, so the 0 string that we have here got converted to the number 0, and then simply this number 0 compared with 0, so we got true. And then we have this strict equality operator, so it checks both the value and type, and here no type conversion is allowed. So if we do the same thing, like again the number 0 converted with string 0, this time with this strict equality operator, so this time it will give false. So see, as this does not allow type conversion, so let's have few more examples. So let's again have, so just try to guess what we will get as the output. So it will be simply true for this, then again false for this. See, again the same behavior. So now let's take one last example, and this time we will compare boolean with number. So here we are comparing a boolean value that is true with a number 1, and that too with the help of loose equality operator. So this time again we will get true. See, we got true. So again, as loose equality operator allows type conversion, so again this true would have been converted to 1, the number, then again simply the number 1 would have been compared to this number 1, and we got true as the output. And if we try to do the same thing with our strict equality operator, as it does not allow type conversion, so it will give false. See, we got the output false. So yes, that's it for this quick video. Hope you understood the difference between loose equality operator and strict equality operator in JavaScript. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.